Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have a problem with the Freelander one, TD4. When driving along, it stutters. The engine basically cuts out. Anyway, took it to the garage. They said, oh, injectors. Well, you know they do. And he said, don't use supermarket fuel. Use quality fuel, Shell garage, etc., and put additives in, 2 tankfuls, see how it goes. Didn't make much difference. So anyway, a friend of mine has an OBD1 reader, an old one, whereas a lot of the modern ones won't read these cars because they changed it. It's like everybody using one USB, that sort of thing. So we plugged it in and it came up with a code, and it reckons the problem is this. This is the fuel high pressure sensor. So I got one of these off of Freelander, £67, but I got a Bosch. There's the box if you want to know. And we're going to take the old one out and fit this one in and see if it makes any difference. Hopefully it will fix it. So we've had a look in our Hayes manual. There it is. And it sort of refers to this one up here, this bit here. So we'll put that one side, fairly easy. I'll show you where it is in the car. So let's have a look out. So I'll turn you around. So here's our Freelander 2005. So looking in the engine bay, it sits just down there. It is a common sensor that will go on these, so be prepared if it feels like the injector or something. It could be that. This is why I'm going to change it. So first off, we need to remove all of this to get access down there. So I'm not going to bore you with moving this. I'll take this out of the way, then I'll come back to you. So, see you in a second, guys. Right, we've taken the air box off and the other bit, the intercooler part of it. So that's all out of the way. And just down there, on the end of the fuel rail, which runs underneath your inlet manifolds, is the culprit, your high pressure sensor. So if you get any problems with the injector, do this first, then go from there. So this is your first port of call. You can see it just down there. You need a 27mm long reach socket. Get to it. So first of all, we'll take this wiring off. There we go. Right, so that's the wiring out of the way. I don't know if I can get you in there, but there she is. So I will set you up, and we'll unscrew it, release it from its holding, see what happens. Never done this job before, so give me a second, guys, and I'll set you up. Right, hopefully we're recording and you can see where it is down there. So there's my long socket, and we're going to undo that, try and get it on there. Oh, where's it gone? Where's it gone? Right, there we go. Right, that's doing it up. Try that way. Oh, I think we're undone. There we go. We're undone. Put that there. See what happens here. I've got a bit of rag just in case anything happens. The old one is unwinding. There we go. That's the old one out. So I'll put that there. No seal on it. It's meant to be a little seal or a cross washer, but nothing there. And it says in the Hayes manual, put a washer on it. Let's not put one on. I've got a copper one here. So we'll take this out of the box. The new one, which is the Bosch. Because it's a Bosch system, I thought go with Bosch. Just double check that they're the same. Oh. Yeah, look, there's a bit of difference there. I don't know what make the old one is, but see the difference in the holes in the end? That's a bit weird. So we'll put that there. Ooh. Put that in there so it don't blow away. Let's take that off, because we can always whip it back out again if we need to. Let's give it all a bit of a clean. So we've got a nice mating surface. Give that a bit of a clean. Put this one back in. So basically it just seems to be winding out and winding in. Once you get the threads done, come on, in we go. What's that? Yeah, is that the same thread? Yeah, it should go in there. Thread's a bit longer on this one. Can't see any difference there. Right. Right, we're going in now. So in we go. It says to torque it up to the to what they say. So I think it's when you feel it. So flip it up that much. I reckon that's torqued. Have a look at that. I've got some electrical cleaner, so I'm gonna put a little bit, spray a little bit of electrical cleaner in there, and clean that. Oh, come off. It just gets anything out of it. There we go. Nicely cleans the electrics up. There we go, dry that off. Make sure everything's out. Right, and plug that back in. Is it that way? Or is that that way? There we go. And we're in. That's it. That's your sensor. As easy as that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the air filter back on. I'm pretty confident that is right. And we'll see how she runs. So, back in a second. Right. Well, there we are. We're all back together. That didn't take long. Well, half hour at the most if you have a cup of tea in the middle. So, yeah, nice easy little job. So if you get problems, running problems, and go to it's either your high pressure fuel pump or your injectors, change that first, because that could save you a lot of money, because they probably change that anyway and not tell you, and charge you for injectors. I know these injectors are clean. I know they're like new because I've had them cleaned. So that's how I know it wasn't the injectors. I will not be using that garage again. I should have gone with my initial thoughts that it was the high pressure sensor. So anyway, gonna wrap that up. Let's give her a start tick over, make sure she starts. Okay. There. Oh. So on we go. There we go. See, that's the one, that's the light that kept coming up. It's just, yes, that is as smooth as silk now. She's not lumpy. That is, oh, what a difference. So yes, change your, where is it? Get a Bosch. I recommend getting a Bosch because it's a Bosch system. Yeah, they cost a little bit more, but it's the old case of pay once and it will last you, buy cheap, and you buy about 2 or 3 of them. So there it is. Here's what it is. You see the number. So that's the part you need. Any problem with running, bit lumpy, that light comes on, and it seems like the injectors, that's what the problem is. it's just down there. So hope you enjoyed this little video. Let's turn you out. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little video. And yeah, I'll see you next one. Thanks for watching. And give us a thumbs up. And subscribe and like the channel. And next time this goes wrong, we'll try and repair it again. So see you all in a future video. Bye bye, me dears. Bye bye.